that life, that frequency. Understand? The prana you enjoy, the life energy you enjoy is most important. Under our banyan tree, still you can live the prana of Sadashiva. Is there. Saptarishis lived in Ramanagara. Because Sadashiva and Devi and Nandi lived here. Still all the Saptarishis are in the form of huge 7 hillock, single stone in Ramanagara. They heard Agamas from Mahadeva under this banyan tree. If you read the Kamika Agama description, where Sadashiva was sitting and teaching to whom all, everything 100% fits with our banyan tree. See the description. See the description, then you will understand. Read the original verse and see the description. Maybe later on I will explain. After Sadashiva taught the Agamas, the Rishis were living in Ramanagara and practicing. That is when Rama comes. When he heard the Saptarishis are living, he comes and stays here. Then Saptarishis bring him. He also came and heard not only the Agamas, the Upanishads also from Mahadeva directly. And then after the war, after Rama wins the war, after the Pattabhishekam, he brings Hanuman, Sita and Lakshmana, Bharata Shatrugna, the whole battalion, to show where all he lived, the Ramalila Sthanas. That time, the same place, Rama sits and describes to Hanuman what he heard from Sadashiva, because Hanuman is the incarnation of Nandi. Nandi himself came to support Rama in his avataric mission. As Rama is the great devotee of Sadashiva, Rama taught whatever he heard from Sadashiva to Hanuman. That is what is recorded in Muktiko Upanishad as the 108 Upanishads. Under this banyan tree, you can breathe Sadashiva. Breathe. Breathing is not smelling. Same way, if you sit in a dark room and go on breathing, you will be only in hell. Not only you will be in hell, you will be creating hell for others. People who are interested in being hell, you go to hell. Don't put others in hell. Not relating with people, constantly sitting in dark room is a disease as per Vedic psychology. And sleeping when this is being told. Understand? Yesterday in the SMKT meeting, I was telling one important truth. The more and more number of people want to hang around you, more and more success in everything you do. It means you carry that kind of prana where people feel rejuvenated, refreshed by breathing your prana. By breathing your prana. It is not necessary that you have to be completely complete with everyone for people to enjoy your prana. No. If you are completely complete with you and go on encouraging completion with everyone, that itself will rejuvenate everyone's prana. Whoever comes around you will feel they are rejuvenated. Whole inner awakening is nothing but 21 days you breathing my prana. That's all. That's all. Now this December whole Sadashivoham is nothing but I am letting Sadashiva to breathe through this body, and you will be breathing Sadashiva's prana. That's all. Sadashiva in his full form, powers and possibilities and experiences. You will be just breathing Sadashiva for 21 days. That's all.